Wow. So here we are for chapter 3. This is our last chapter. So let's find a new page to write on. Here we go. Here's space for another awesome picture. You're such a great artist. And let's start with the word chapter 3. Capital C. Dive down H. Magic C-A. Dive down P, up, around, and bump the P. Dive down T. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Dive down R. Now leave a finger space for 3. Dot, dot. Oops. There. Chapter 3 is Animal Living Habits. Dive down A for the capital A. Dive down N. Dive down I. Dive down M. Magic C-A. Dive down L. Then capital L. Dive down L. Dive down I. Slide down, slide up. Dive down I. Dive down N. Magic C-G. Animal, living, then leave a finger space. Capital H. Magic C-A. Dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down I. Dive down T. Magic C-S. Chapter 3, Animal Living Habits. Let's start our topic sentence. Rabbits have many habits. So capital R, magic C-A, dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S. Rabbits have, leave a finger space for have. Dive down H, magic C-A. Slide down, slide up for the V. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Rabbits have many habits. Let's do dive down M, magic C-A, dive down N, slide, slide for the Y. Then leave a finger space for habits. Dive down H, magic C-A, dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S, and period. Rabbits have many habits. Then let's write first, a bunny eats fruit and veggies, because that's what your research says. So, capital F for first, dive down I, dive down R, magic C-S, dive down T, and comma. First, a bunny, magic C-A, leave a finger space. Dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down U, dive down N, dive down N. Slide, slide for the Y. A bunny eats, leave a finger space for eats. Hit the ball, run around the base for E. Magic C-A, dive down T, magic C-S, eats fruit, dive down F, dive down R, dive down U, dive down I, dive down T. Eats fruit and, you know how to spell and, magic C A, dive down N, magic C D, up like a helicopter, back down. And leave a finger space for veggies. Slide down, slide up for V. Hit the ball, run around the base for E. Magic C G, another magic C G. Dive down I. Hit the ball, run around the base for E. And magic C S. First, a bunny eats fruit and veggies, period. Then, let's write also, they are active at sunset and sunrise. That is a cool research fact. So capital A for also. Dive down for L. Magic C for S. Magic C O, comma. Also, they are, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for E, slide, slide for Y. Leave a finger space for R. Magic C-A, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. They are active. Leave a finger space. Magic C for A, magic C, dive down T, dive down I, slide down, slide up for V, hit the ball, run around the base for E. Also, they are active. And you told me in your research at sunset and sunrise. So let's write at. Magic C-A, dive down T, there's at. Leave a finger space for sun, set. Magic C-S, dive down U, dive down N, magic C-S, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down T. At sunset and leave a finger space. Magic C-A, dive down N, magic C-D, up like a helicopter, back down. So we have and then we want to write sunrise. Magic C-S, dive down U, dive down N, dive down R, dive down I, magic C-S, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. They are active at sunset and sunrise. Don't forget your period. Now, let's write last, bunnies rest most of the time in a burrow. Wow. Capital L, magic C-A, magic C-S, dive down T, and comma. Last, bunnies, dive down B, up, around, and bump the B, dive down U, dive down N, dive down N, dive down I, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, and magic C-S. Bunnies rest most of the time. Dive down R for rest. Hit the ball, run around the bases. Magic C-S, dive down T, rest. Leave a finger space, most. Dive down M, magic C-O, magic C-S, dive down T. Leave a finger space for of, magic C-O, dive down F. Leave a finger space for the, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Last, bunnies rest most of the time. Dive down T for time. Dive down I, dive down M. Hit the ball, run around the base for E. Most of the time in a burrow. Leave a finger space for in, dive down I, dive down N. Finger space for A, magic C-A. Leave a finger space for burrow. Dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down U, dive down R, dive down R. Magic C-O. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up for burrow. And then put a period. And then we're on our conclusion. Truly, rabbits have good habits. So dive down capital T for truly. Dive down R, dive down U, dive down L, slide down, and comma. Truly, leave a finger space for rabbits. Dive down R, magic C-A. Dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down I, dive down T. Magic C-S. Rabbits have, leave a finger space. Dive down H, magic C-A. Slide down, slide up. Hit the ball, run around the base for E. Truly, rabbits have good, magic C-G, magic C-O, magic C-O, magic C-V, up like a helicopter, back down. Leave a finger space for habits. Dive down H, magic C-A, dive down B, up, around, and bump the B. Dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S, and period. Truly, rabbits have good habits. Wow, this was an amazing chapter and the last chapter in your animal book. Congratulations! Soon I'll be sending a video for table of contents so that people who read your book will know which page to turn to find your chapters. Bye for now.